Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss the chapter Trigonometrical Ratios. Just I am going to continue solving the problems. Exercise 22A, 18th one. If secant A is equal to root 2, find the value of 3 cos square A plus 5 tan square A divided by 4 tan square A minus sin square A. Now first I am going to draw the right angle. Okay, now here we know very well secant A is equal to the formula hypotenuse side divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse side we have here a root 2. We don't have the denominator. You can consider 1 as a denominator. Now hypotenuse side value is root 2 and you have to mention before taking these values, just you have to mention the vertices of the triangle. This is A, B and this is C. Okay, before going to take the sides, just you have to mention the vertices. This is A, B and this it is C. Now the hypotenuse side we have written it is a root 2. This is the hypotenuse side. Now angle A it is going to be beside the opposite side. So opposite side it is BC and here this is the adjacent side. So adjacent value it is 1. Hypotenuse side is root 2. We need to find out BC. This is the right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle ABC by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB value it is 1 square, BC it is unknown value, but we know AC value it is root 2 whole square. So root 2 whole square the value is 2, the square and square root it will get cancelled. 1 square the value it is 1. So the positive one when you shift to the opposite side it will be minus 1 is equal to BC square. Okay, now finally we got BC is equal to 1. So this value it is 1. Okay, now 3 into cos formula is adjacent divided by hypotenuse side whole square plus 5 into tan formula is opposite by adjacent side whole divided by 4 into tan value is opposite divided by adjacent whole square minus sin it is opposite by hypotenuse side whole square. Just we are going to substitute the values here. 3 into adjacent side we have 1 divided by root 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 divided by 1 divided by 4 into 1 divided by 1 whole square minus opposite side is 1 divided by hypotenuse it is root 2 whole square. Okay, now if we simplify 3 into 1 square the value is 1. So the square and square root it will get cancelled. So we left with 1 by 2 plus 5 into 1 the value is 5 divided by whole divided by 1 by 1 the value is 1. 1 square the value is 1. 4 into 1 by 1 value is 1. 1 square 1 the value is 1 minus the square and square root it will get cancelled. We left with 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 it is 3 by 2 plus 5 divided by 4 into 1 4 minus 1 by 2. Now you need to take the LCM. So LCM we'll get here. If there is no denominator, we need to consider it as 1. So the LCM it is 2. I am going to multiply 2. And here also, if there is no denominator, you need to consider 1. I am going to multiply by 2 so that the denominator it will become same. Okay, now we have 3 by 2 plus 5 2s are 10 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 10 plus 3 it is 13 divided by 2, and in the denominator you will get 8 minus 1 is 7 divided by 2 is equal to 13 divided by 2. Instead of this division, just I am going to make it as multiplication, so that we need to take the reciprocal of the denominator is 2 by 7. Here this 2 it will get cancelled, so we left with 13 divided by 7. Therefore the value of 3 cos square A plus 5 tan square A divided by 4 tan square A minus sin square A is equal to 13 divided by 7, or even you can write it as 6 by 7. So this is the final answer. Now we'll move to the next one. The 20th one, in the following figure, AD is perpendicular to BC and they have given AC is equal to 26, CD is equal to 10, BC is equal to 42, angle DAC is equal to X and angle B is equal to Y, and we need to find the first one, cot X we need to find, and the second one 1 divided by sin square Y minus 1 divided by tan square Y, and the third one we need to find 6 divided by cos X minus 5 divided by cos Y plus 8 tan Y. Okay, now first I am going to draw the given triangle. Just I am going to mention the vertices. This is A and this is C, D and this is B. This is the given conditions, and this angle B we have taken it as Y and the given angle A is X. So both the angles are given conditions. Now we need to find these three sub-questions. Just I am going to write the given conditions. Here AC value it is 26 and we have CD it is 10, and they have given BC value it is complete BC value given it is 42. From 42 if we subtract 10 we are going to get 32 as BD. Therefore BD is equal to 32. Okay, now first I am going to find this side by using the Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So we don't know that AD value, but we know AC value. AC value it is 26 square is equal to AD square plus CD value it is 10 square. When you shift this 10 square to the opposite side, it will be minus 10 square is equal to AD square. 26 square value it is 576 minus 10 square value it is 100. 26 square it is 676 minus 10 square the value it is 100 is equal to AD square. So we got AD square is equal to 576. Therefore AD is equal to 24 we got. Root of 576 the value it is 24. So we got AD value it is 24. Next we need to find AB value. In triangle ADB by using Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. So AD square value it is 24 square plus BD it is 32 square. 24 square it is 576 plus 32 square is 1024. Both if we add here we'll get 1600. So this is AB square. Now AB is equal to plus or minus root of 1600. So finally we got AB is equal to 40. So this is the value of AB. Just I will substitute here. AB value it is 40. Okay, now cot x is equal to, okay, now you need to consider only this triangle. So in this triangle, opposite to this x, this is the opposite side, and this it is hypotenuse side, and this it is adjacent side. So cot x is equal to, even you can consider adjacent side as base and opposite you can consider it as perpendicular. Okay, by using this concept we will solve this problem. So cot x is equal to base divided by perpendicular. Base it is AD divided by perpendicular is CD is equal to 24 divided by 10. So 24 divided by 10. If we simplify here we will get 12 2s are 24, 5 2s are 10. So 2 by 5. So this is the cot x value. Next we will come to the sin y. So 1 divided by sin formula is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse side whole square minus 1 divided by tan it will be perpendicular by base whole square. So the values we will get 1 divided by 3 by 5 whole square minus 1 divided by 3 by 4 whole square is equal to, just if you take a reciprocal of this, when you have 1 divided by, just you have to take the reciprocal of the denominator, so that you will get 5 square divided by 3 square minus 4 square divided by 3 square. Okay, here now further if you simplify you will get 5 square it is 25 divided by 3 square is 9 minus 4 square it is 16 divided by 9. 25 denominators are same. So 25 minus 16 value is 9. 9 divided by 9 the value is 1. So we got here finally for the second sub question the answer it is 1. Okay, now we'll come to the third one. 6 divided by cos x is equal to base divided by hypotenuse side minus 5 divided by, for cos y also we have here base divided by hypotenuse side plus 8 into tan it is opposite divided by base. Okay, now listen carefully. Here the angle it is very important to choose a triangle. So angle x we have, so you need to consider the first one. In the first one we have here base it is 24 divided by hypotenuse side it is hypotenuse side we have 26 minus 5 divided by here y. Now I am going to consider the second triangle. So in the second triangle, so this is the opposite side and this it is hypotenuse side and this it is adjacent side. The base value we have it is adjacent side it is base, right? So the base we have 32 divided by hypotenuse side is 40 plus 8 into opposite side divided by base. So opposite side it is nothing but it is perpendicular. So perpendicular side we have 24 divided by base value it is 32. So we have written all the values. So just we have to simplify 6 instead of this division, just I am going to take multiplication, so that we need to take the reciprocal. 26 divided by 24 minus 5 into 40 divided by 32 plus 8 into 24 divided by 32. So here 1 6 is 6, 4 6 are 24, and here 13 2s are 26, 2 2s are 4, 5 8s are 40, 4 8s are 32, and here we'll get 1 8 is 8, 8 4s are 32, 1 4 is 4, 6 4s are 24. So finally we left with 13 divided by 2 minus 25 divided by 4 plus 6 divided by 1. So here the LCM it is going to be 4. So just I will multiply into 2 here and here into 4 is equal to 13 2s are 26 divided by 4 minus 25 divided by 4 plus 6 4s are 24 divided by 4. Now the denominator is same, just I can write only once. So you will get 26 minus 25 plus 24. So the answer it will be 25 divided by 4. So this is the answer, or even you can write it as 6 4s are 24, remainder 1 divided by 4. So finally we got this answer. Therefore 6 divided by cos x minus 5 divided by cos y plus 8 tan y is equal to this answer. So this is a final answer.